Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video we're going to do Lektion 5 on été on A on start. So let's get started. Look like do itri occupi aujourd'hui, il écrit un projet. Il fait des recherches sur Internet. Il lit des livres. Lucia Kern so curieux. Lucia, qu'est-ce que tu fais, Lou? J'ai fait mes devoirs. Tu vois, c'est le premier jour de mon stage. Lucia, mi on est en vacances. Tu as des cours? Luke, oui, on est en vacances, mais j'ai fait une stage d'été dans une organisation. Karen, une stage d'études qui? À la université? Luke, non, dans une organisation non gouvernementale Greenpeace. Cette organisation lutte pour sauver et protéger l'environnement. Karen, tiens, Greenpeace, oui, oui, c'est très célèbre. Elle existe en Onde aussi, et elle est très active. Luke, c'est vrai. Karen, et ton projet, c'est quoi? Luke, c'est pour la protection des forêts. Je m'intéresse aussi au tigre, mais c'est un autre projet. Karen, moi aussi. J'ai un devoir pour la rentrée, l'énergie renouvelable. Rucha, bon courage à vous deux. Luke et Karen, merci Rucha. So now let us see the translation. Luke Leto is very busy today. He is writing a project. He does research on the internet. He reads books. Rucha and Karan are curious. Rucha, what are you doing? Luke, I'm doing my homework. You see, it is the first day of my course. Rucha, but we are having vacations. Do you have class? Luke, yes, we have vacations, but I'm doing a summer course in an organization. Karan, a vacation batch? Where? At the university? Luke, no. In a non-governmental organization, NGO, Greenpeace, this organization fights to save and protect the environment. Karan, hold on. Greenpeace? Yes, yes, it is very famous. It exists in India also and is very active. Luke, indeed. Karan, and your project, what's that? Luke, it is for the protection of forests. I'm also interested in the tiger, but it is another project. Karan, me also. I have a task for the new school year, the renewable energy. Rucha, good luck to both of you. Luke and Karan, thank you, Rucha. So here we move to phrases et mots-clés. Qu'est-ce que tu fais? What are you doing? Tu vois? You see. Je m'intéresse à? I'm interested. C'est très intéressant. It is very interesting. 5.2 extremes sont accord. C'est joli. C'est robe. Oui, bien sûr. Is this dress pretty? Yes, certainly. Allons à la plage. Bonne idée. Let's go to the beach. Good idea. On va au cinéma. Je suis d'accord. Are we going to the cinema? Okay, I agree. 5.3 le stage d'été. En France, les vacances sont pour s'amuser, mais aussi pour apprendre de nouvelles choses pratiques. In France, the vacations are not only to enjoy oneself, but also to learn new practical things. Les étudiants de la université prennent deux semaines de vacances, puis ils commencent leur stage d'été. The university students take 2-week vacation, then they begin their summer training. Ce stage est dans une entreprise et servant. C'est un stage de formation. This training is an enterprise and often it is a training course. 5.4 vocabulaire. Trousse d'étudiant, feminine. In the pencil case of the student. Crayon, masculine, a pencil. Gomme, feminine, an eraser. Tile crayon, masculine, a sharpener. Stylo, masculine, a pen. Then, material d'étudiant, masculine. Students' materials. Cartable, masculine, a school bag. Livre, masculine, a textbook. Cahier, masculine, a notebook. Trousse, feminine, a pencil case. Dossier, masculine, a file. 5.4 vocabulaire. Trousse d'étudiant, feminine. In the pencil case of the student. Crayon, masculine, a pencil. Gomme, feminine, an eraser. Tile crayon, masculine, a sharpener. Stylo, masculine, a pen. Then, material d'étudiant, masculine. Students' materials. Cartable, masculine, a school bag. Livre, masculine, a textbook. Cahier, masculine, a notebook. Trousse, feminine, a pencil case. Dossier, masculine, a file. Now we move to 5.5, grammar. To identify the direct object in a sentence, we ask the question quoi, what, immediately after the verb, if the object after the verb is a thing. If the object after the verb is the person, to identify the direct object in a sentence, we ask the question qui, who. Examples: Je regarde la télé. Je regarde quoi? La télé. Je vois Pierre. Je vois qui? Pierre. Jane rencontre les filles. Jane rencontre qui? Les filles. Revision of interrogative words and expressions. Que is where. Kaise que is what is that. Qui is who. Quand is when. Combien or combien de is how much. Quoi or qui is what. Comment is how. Pourquoi is why. Verbs. Écrire, to write. J'ai écrit, tu écris, il écrit, elle écrit, nous écrivons, vous écrivez, ils, elles écrivent. Lire, to read. J'ai lu, tu lis, il lit, elle lit, nous lisons, vous lisez, ils, elles lit. Now we move to 5.6 exercises. Again, I have given you all the direct answers. I suggest you all that don't just copy the answers, but try to solve them and take my answers as just a reference. If you get stuck anywhere, you can ask me in the comments. If you are stuck in the exercises, you can refer the answers given here. If you still don't understand it, then you all can ask me. So again, over here, I have marked 5.7 civilization. Jacques Cousteau. Ma chère mère avant tout. My dear sea above all. Pour Jacques Cousteau, un officier de la Marine nationale française, la mer et les océans sont sa vie et sa passion. For Jacques Cousteau, 1920-1997, an officer in the French Navy, the sea and the oceans are his life and his passion. Ce film surtout le monde du silence et ses documentaires et la télévision. His films especially The Silent World and his documentaries on the television. L'Odyssée sous-marine du commandant Cousteau sont une représentation superbe de la beauté de la vie marine et de ses mystères. The Underwater Odyssey of Commandant Cousteau, a superb presentation of the beauty of the marine life and of its mysteries. Mais le message le plus important de ces discours, de ces livres et de ces articles, c'est de protéger la mer magnifique et fragile de la pollution et de la destruction. But the most important message of his lectures, books and articles is to protect the magnificent and fragile sea from pollution and destruction. Le parc océanographique Cousteau se trouve à Paris. Cousteau Oceanographic Park is located in Paris. So with this, we finish our chapter number 5. So merci beaucoup everyone for watching this video. If you feel this video is very helpful, then please like, share and comment. Also subscribe my channel for more new videos. Thank you.